Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to the device. Click on Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!